that, let's get you some snippets from Vijay Deverakonda and Rashmika Mandana's grand wedding. The couple have started their pre-wedding festivities already, and we're told that this is also going to include a cricket match with close family members and friends planned as part of the private celebrations. The couple is all set to tie the knot on the 26th of February in Udaipur. Their wedding is expected to be one of the biggest weddings of the year, and of course one that has been quite awaited by fans for a long time now.
The much-awaited wedding of Vijay Deverakonda and Rashmika Mandana, popularly called as the Virosh wedding, has officially begun in the royal city Udaipur, Rajasthan. Behind me, you are seeing is the wedding venue, the grand wedding venue. Mementos by ITC Hotels, where all the traditional ceremonies are with a twist being celebrated, and from the pool volleyball sessions we saw yesterday to the specially curated Japanese culinary evening and even the fun-filled cricket Premier League. Security also has been tightened in and around the venue. The police officials are deployed in all directions, and the red roof villas that we are seeing in the cameras are where the close friends and family members of the couple are staying.
So here are the celebrations. Some pictures have also come to light, and look at the pictures on the left side of your screens. These are pictures that have been put on Instagram by Vijay Deverakonda. The pool party has begun, and Rashmika Mandana had also given a sneak peek into the celebrations. She had, of course, put pictures from the dining table, it looks like. We have, in fact, breaking updates now coming in of the Prime Minister congratulating Vijay Deverakonda as well as Rashmika Mandana. So the Prime Minister has congratulated the couple on their wedding, saying it's a divinely scripted chapter. The Prime Minister congratulating the popular actors on their wedding and offering his blessings to the star couple. It's a letter that has been sent to Vijay Deverakonda's parents, where the Prime Minister has said that it's a pleasure to be invited by you to the wedding of Vijay and Rashmika, to be held on the 26th of February. Heartiest congratulations and greetings. This is the message that has come in from the Prime Minister for the couple. And well, with that, it's time for us to slip into a very quick break here, but don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with our Southern Spice, where we have for you updates from across South.